morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planico, and today we are going to plan for the week of July 29th through August 4th in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. This is it right here. I think that I'm going to switch covers up soon too. I started planning because I was making stickers, and so I put some boxes in, and for the things that are going on this week. I also made myself this little sticker book. It's got little poly covers, and then it protects all my stickers that I made. So I'm going to open this up. I don't know if I have any other. I used all these, I think, in the, well, I have these little ones still. I used all of these when I did the monthly. I think we'll keep this one open. That I had to print myself out some more stickers before I could do this video. So let me see if there's anything else going on this week. I always have everything written on my monthly calendar so that I know what I need to do. Now I do have the bills on here, and the dentist cleaning on here, and the crown fitting on there, yay. Oh, and I have 2 more bills that I need to pay on Friday. So I'm gonna take one more of those monthly. I should grab my tweezers too. These little boxes so that I can put more bills to pay here. And again, it's going to have to overlap just because lots of things are going on. So maybe I'll put this one down here more. Trying to line it up when it's like so far away from me. I can't like write and talk at the same time. Okay, so I just make those, and then I color this in. I'm just going to do the same color I picked over there. And just put a little drop shadow on the boxes. All right, so those are my events. Those are my main events for this week. This, and this. So after that, I kind of just decorate. Like last week, which is way back here. The Erin Condren sticker's not sticking. Uh-oh. I put this week over here, so I still need to do that. I wonder if I have that sticker. Let's look and see if I have a this week sticker. I may have used it last week. Oh, I do have some. And the dinner stickers I will put down here too. So as long as I'm right here, I think I'm gonna just, I don't know if I like them better on, no matter what, if you put it on this line or if you put it here, it still wastes that first line. So I think I'm gonna put it down here. All of these stickers I have made for myself, but if I get inquiries, I will gladly put them in my shop because I've already got them made. And then I just cut them out of my Cricut. And I don't know, it works. It's fun, it's easy when you can make your own stickers because you can just say, okay, I'm gonna plan, so let's print and cut some stickers. I just noticed over here, I drew on the page behind this with these Erin Condren markers, and they're like bleeding through. I'm finding that more and more that those markers are bleeding through the page, and I really don't like that. I like them because the colors, you know, match so well, but I mean, what good is it if it bleeds through? That's all I did, little dots. And it bled through to here. Ugh. I don't know. Not happy, right? I mean, of course I'm not happy, but I also want to let you know this because I don't want you to buy them and then be disappointed. So, because they're, you know, they're not cheap, and especially if they're not on sale, there's other cheaper markers out there. I'm just wondering if you can find, there's probably Tombos you could find these colors, or mild liners. That'd be an interesting thing to figure out. I think I'm going to put this week over here, but I want to put it on top of a flower just to add some color over there. I said I had these two. I think I'm going to use this one. It seems like the color I was going with this week. Oh, that's why. Because the color of August is this color. What do they call this? Can't read it. Marigold. Makes sense. So I'm going to put that over here and kind of try and fit it on the page as most as I can. We'll have to cut a little bit off. And then I'm going to put the This Week sticker over that. But of course I can't find that now either. Reaching everywhere. Where did that go to? I want to keep those open. There it is. I'll just put it right in front of me. How about that? All right. So then we can put it right in the middle for this week. It's already August. That means summer is almost over. I'm a person who does not enjoy the heat, so it's fine with me that it's almost over. I like fall much better. I can even deal with winter better. I'm wondering, I made these new stickers. Should we try these and see how they look on top? Could do that. Or do we just leave these? Maybe we'll leave these this week. I did them last week. So, I feel like I'm all over the place today. I do want, I think, what can I do with them? I have the months that are looking different. Here they are. I'm gonna put this up here for this instead though, the July small one. As long as July is almost over, might as well use these up too. And maybe I can do another sticker behind it. Let's do the mauve colored one. Kind of cover that up a little bit. And then I can put the July up here more. And cut my little edge off, my little bitty. Okay, so there we go, and we are started, and it's looking nice. Okay, so let's use some of these stickers. I also want to put some checklists. I didn't take these off this week either. I think instead of using this today, I'm just going to draw little hash marks on here. So I make up my orders and ship them out on Monday. So that's like the priority of the day. I have been running out of room though, so I'm kind of thinking, what do I want to do? I kind of wanted to change this up a little bit. I'm going to put little, like a checklist, at least Monday through Wednesday. And usually I end up watching my grand dog for sure on Thursdays. Sometimes it's Tuesdays. Thursday, oh, this is not. We're gonna decorate this day because I won't be doing much that day. Here we go. That solves that problem. So let's take, do I have medium ones? Or I could do a large one, I guess. I'm gonna put, I don't have any, let's put purple down here again. I'm using the purple down here because I do this, my appointments, my home or life tasks, and my work tasks. And work is Periwinkle Planner Co., so I usually use purple down here. So I'm just going to stick this on here because I will not be working that day. I'm getting my teeth work done. So we can put a flower there. And Saturday or Sunday I usually don't work. I can always put a box or something over it too if it doesn't work out. Let's use this pink color maybe. Or I could bring a blue in. We haven't used any blue. I'm gonna put this like in between these two. Maybe like right here. Okay, and then I probably should put one down here to balance it out. So we could either do pink or we could do green. I think I'm gonna do green. I could use the bigger one, but put that on like that. Okay. So then the days that I know I have things going on, am I not using these boxes? I don't like it because you can't get in with this. That bugs me. And I didn't take the pages out. I don't feel like taking them out. So I think I'm just going to write Or I could just do hashtags again too, why not? Okay, so indecisive. Ugh. Let's do purple and green today. Maybe we'll do green. So on Wednesdays, I have to change the sheets, change and wash and the towels, and then I give Mac a bath. And on Tuesday, I brush him out. Thursday is just garbage day, so I don't really need to put anything there. Friday, and then here's cleaning day and menu planning. I probably can put some flowers up here because nothing's probably going to happen there either. So let's use some of these smaller ones again. What do I have here? Oh, these are really small ones. Let's do a little cluster of colors up here. Or I could use a bigger pink one. Let's do that. And then put smaller ones around it. Oh, that didn't cut too well. So let's kind of go way over here with these. I'll have to stick a small one on that. Cover the where it ripped a little bit. Just kind of stick these around like this. Let's do a different size, that one. Oops, I don't know why these are ripping at me. All right, so that's decorating for that. And I was thinking I could take these really small ones and go up on top like this. I guess I did stagger them kind of in height. Yeah, I like it like that. Okay. All right. So then I am going to use this though. I think over here on the side to make a checklist. And I'm going to use the boxes, but I'm going to just use this in order so I don't have to keep like moving it. Oh, it doesn't even line up. I guess I do have to use it because it doesn't line up. This one's really small. And then I like to use this for tracking my medication. So we're going to put this here, except that doesn't line up either. So move it again. 1, 2, 3. I'm wondering, I don't know what to talk to you guys about. So I'm wondering if there are things that you would like to see videos about. I know there's newbies out there looking for planning videos. I think it's mainly just doing what you like and of course watching other people to get ideas, but then you kind of feel like you find what you like, which is what I am doing here, is planning the way that I like to. I think that I'm going to, I don't know why that one doesn't want to go. Do them like that. Well, that's a good way to do it. If you want to make boxes and you want them all the same size, use this. I could have done that over here too, but I think I'm going to color these in. I think that may be it like that. Let's use this kind of color. Let's do this. Since those are all colored in, let's put a little bit of color in here too. I think I've been in frame this whole time, have I been? Turn this, or I hope so. I think so. Okay, what was purple? Oh, I don't have my purple. Where is my purple? Right there's my purple. Jeez. Nothing like panicking. Oh yeah, I don't have this orange color because it wasn't in here. I only have the 5 colors. Is that right? I don't know. Yeah. All right. I could probably put a little something up there maybe. Let's see. Let's move these. I have to punch these so I can fit them in my book. I have, let's see what else I have in here I could use. I know I have the little envelope in here somewhere that I like to use for orders and post office. See if I have any other icons in here. I don't think so. Just this. Dinners. Oh, and then I had the weather, but are there any holidays or anything? August 1st, 29th? No. More weather. The weather I put down here too, and that's kind of running into room with my dinners, but I don't know where else to put it unless I put it in between. I could put it in between, you know, on this kind of bar thing. I don't know. Get my pen. Just write this in. Right. So I think I'm going to take this orange one. Could have used the purple one. Oh well. This is like the extra color that just showed up. All right. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to have a whole lot going on there either. I could put some smaller ones in there again. I probably will write my plans in and then afterwards go back in and fill these flowers in. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. It looks good for now. Okay. So I guess that's it for this week. This is kind of like pre-planning. I don't, I fill in plans when I know them, and then I don't fill in my tasks until the day of. Oh, blood pressure too, I've been putting in here. So I need a spot for blood pressure still, and I need a spot for weather. And I don't like this, but it will get written over, so it'll be okay. But this is how my Erin Condren Vertical 7x9 planner looks for the week of July 29th through the 4th. Happy planning. Until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.